Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime, and today we have a grocery haul, so stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so today we have an Aldi haul for you guys. It's been a minute since my last grocery haul. We have just been in survival mode the last couple of weeks and just basically picking up dinner every couple of nights, just running in and grabbing a couple of things for dinner. So I haven't had any grocery hauls to share with you guys, but we do have something for you guys tonight, so I figured I would share it with you guys and kind of give you guys a life update of what's been going on a little bit. I'm not going to get into the details. I just want to say thank you guys so much for praying for me and my family. We definitely appreciate it. It's been so thoughtful of everyone who's been sending us happy thoughts and prayers and just thinking of us, and it definitely has been helpful. We've just gotten some devastating news over the past week or two, and it's just been nice having our community here, and I felt so supported, and I just want to thank everyone. I will give you guys an update in a separate video. I don't want to bore everyone who came here for a grocery haul with my life dramas that's going on, so I'll make a separate video of that, so stay be on the lookout for that. It should be coming shortly. I'll kind of give you guys an up-to-date of what's going on, and also my weight loss journey. I just wanted to share with you guys also. I'm going to do a video on that, on how since January I'm down about 17 pounds, which doesn't seem like a lot probably to most, but for somebody my age who has a sedentary job where I work on the computer pretty much all day, that's pretty huge. So I will give you guys an updated video on that, on how I'm able to do that. So all right, let's share this video, this haul video with you guys, because that's what you came here for, right? All right guys, you're gonna see some junk food here. Hubby has really liked these birthday donuts, and he's really enjoying those. And I like the chocolate ones, and yes, I am losing weight eating chocolate donuts, guys. And I will share with you how I'm doing it in an updated video. These are hubby's. He loves his peanut butter chocolate chunk cookies. These are pretty massive, guys. Like, you really can't eat more than one at a time because they're pretty hefty. And these here are kind of my snacks, the Fit and Active, the cheddar cheese rice cakes, and the caramel rice cakes. They are fairly low in calories. They're really low in calories, actually. You can have 20 of them for 130 calories, and that's more than enough for a snack if you feel like you just have to have something. This one's 110 calories for 16 rice cakes. I really enjoy those for snacks. I purchased, what did I get, like 6 whole turkeys around Thanksgiving, and I need to start using those up. So I defrosted a turkey. I'm going to make a turkey for us tomorrow. And yes, I know, who wants to put their oven on in this kind of heat, but it gets hot in my house during the day anyways, because I put the air down so I don't run my electric bill crazy. So it'll probably be warm in the house anyway. So I'm gonna make us a little turkey. So we got some chicken stuffing, and they don't have turkey gravy at Aldi, so we have brown gravy. Got some mayonnaise for if we want to make turkey sandwiches. I have hot dogs in the refrigerator, but I didn't have any beans or anything, so I got a can of beans. These are the maple bacon baked beans. Those are really good. Produce was horrific because it's during the week, and you guys know how I feel about shopping at Aldi's in the evening time during the week. They have the worst produce selections, and sure enough, look, Yeah, not looking too good. So I'm going to have to cut those up and eat those right away. So I got 3 cucumbers. Got some mild cheddar cheese. We were out of cheese, and we've been having, have you guys tried the breaded chicken patties in the freezer section? I'll have to insert a picture of it because they didn't have them tonight when we went to get another bag, but I think I still have 1 bag in the freezer. They are so good. They taste just like Chick-fil-A. If you guys like Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches, they are amazing. This is amazing, and it's so similar to the Chick-fil-A sandwich. We do that on a bun with some mayonnaise and some cheddar cheese, a little bit on there, and some lettuce, whatever. Oh my gosh, it's so good. But I will insert a picture. We didn't get them today because they were all out. But I will insert a picture just to show you guys how what we get and how good they are, because yeah, they're phenomenal. We've been eating those the last couple of weeks. We got a bag of carrots. Those are for the puppies. These are hubby's drinks. He likes these. They're like seltzer water, flavored seltzer water. So he got 2 12 packs for himself. So my phone's caught. Hold on 1 second. This here is mine. I put this in oatmeal and yogurt and cottage cheese. Which they must have been out of the cottage cheese because I don't have any, so hubby probably wasn't able to find it. We have the cherry berry blend. This is awesome, and it's so good for you. And the vitamins in there are so good, guys. It's got the tart cherries, regular cherries, blueberries, strawberries, and it's a very, very reasonable price. I'll have to look on the receipt to see what it is, but it's a very good price for frozen fruit. These are for the guys for lunch. Got turkey breast, and then we got some Munster. And then you guys know that I've been doing the protein shakes in my coffee, and this is helping me to stay satiated during the day because I drink a lot of coffee. So I just put this in like a coffee creamer, and like one of these, if I was to just have one for myself, one would last me probably 2 or 3 days in my coffee. So we don't go through a whole lot of these. You know, hubby's been doing it too now, so now we're doubling up because just to make sure that we have enough. But yeah, like one of these has 30 grams of protein in it, and it's just a handy way to, you know, get your protein in during the day. I don't know about you guys, but since I started tracking my calories and my micronutrients or whatever, macros, whatever they call it, I noticed that I don't eat enough protein. I'm supposed to be eating like 140 or 150 grams of protein a day, and I was, before I started tracking, maybe eating 50 grams of protein a day, and that's has a lot to do with why I was always starving. So protein is huge when you're losing weight. I was shamefully completely out of frozen vegetables. I had no vegetables in my house the last couple of nights. I actually had plant-based fish that I made because I had no, for us for dinner with tater tots and what else did I make? Onion rings. That was last night's dinner, and I was so upset with myself. I haven't had vegetables in the house in days, but I justified it with the onion rings and the the plant-based fish that we had. So yes, I'm happy to say that we have vegetables back. That's why I try and always stock up, but I haven't grocery shopped in 3 weeks, guys. So we were like down to like bare bones, like literally. I was trying to find things in the house that I could make that would make a balanced meal for everybody. So I'm sure you guys know what it's like though. The steamed mixed vegetables, I got 4 of those. These are our all-time go-to. I put them in everything. And then because they didn't have the chicken that we really like, the chicken, breaded chicken patties, hubby saw these and he's like, all right, well, I'll give these a try. But these are nowhere near as good as the breaded chicken And these are an appetizer anyways, but you put these on top of a salad and you got dinner. So he picked 3 of those. It's got 12 grams of protein. We got some hot dog buns. Those are for hot dogs that I have in the refrigerator. Got a loaf of bread because we've been eating a lot of peanut butter. I've been doing toast in the morning. I'm like alternating with the oatmeal. I'm making toast in the morning, and I'm putting a little bit of peanut butter and honey on my toast. And I'm only doing that. I know peanut butter is very high in calories. I'm only doing that because I had a lot of jars of peanut butter in my pantry that I had to get rid of. And these are really good, guys. Have you ever tried these before? These are the wild caught fish fillets, crunchy fish fillets. I know that they're processed and blah, blah, blah. They're not that great for you, but life has been crazy here, guys. So I'm not even going there with the, you know, bioengineered food and, you know, whatever. I'm not even looking for that. I'm looking for something that is going to be easy for me to cook and it's going to be good. So I'm not looking to get processed food because I have a bag of fish in my freezer, and to be honest with you, I just don't have the time right now to sit and cook meals. It's just got to be something I can throw in the oven really quick, or we pretty much have cereal. That's how bad we are right now. But you guys know what that's like too, so preaching to the choir, right guys? All right guys, so I found that these are one of the better deals. This one and the fish fillet, the fish sticks, you get 10 of them. I bought a different brand at Aldi one time. Came with 5 little breaded fish fillets in the box, and it was like $6, I think. And I'm like, I will never do that again. It was like it couldn't even feed us really, because they were so tiny. They were like this big, little tiny fish fillets, and you only got like 5 or 6 in the box. So this works out good because I have 2 grown men in the household. So between them and me, we definitely are enjoying this one. It comes with 10 pieces, and then I have leftovers for lunch. And the 2 fish fillets are only 210 calories, guys. So not the healthiest for you, but calorie wise, it's not bad at all. So, all right, guys. Well, that is my haul for today. What do you think we spent? Didn't get very much. I've been getting my coffee from Sam's Club and having it delivered. So that's why you haven't been seeing the coffee, because we tried to go back to the pod coffee at Aldi's, and there's something wrong with them. They mess up my my coffee maker every time. And I have a brand new coffee maker. I had that problem with the old coffee maker, and so we threw that one away and I got a new one, and the same thing's happening with the Aldi coffee pods. So I don't know, they're doing something to their coffee pods. So I've been getting it's a pretty good deal actually. I think it's like 60 or 70 pods for say like $9 or $10 a box, guys. And they're flavored. They're all different flavors, like pecan, hazelnut. I think there's a couple of sweet ones in there, like donut, glazed donut. I'll have to insert a picture of that as well. Show you guys what they have at Sam's Club, and you can get it delivered, you know. So yeah, I'm doing that. Been doing that for my coffee lately. And yeah, so leave a comment down below. How much do you think we spent? Like I said, we do have some junk food in here, but we have been through so much stress the last 2 weeks that, you know, you got to have something sweet just to make you feel better about something, right guys? So we got some junk food in here. And these are a little expensive. I think they're like $6.99, and we got 2 of them, so that's going to bring our total up a little bit. What else? All right, guys, let me get my receipt. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. So this is our receipt, and so we have 1, 2, 3 proteins for dinner. 4, 5. Got some lunches in there. So we got at least 5 nights dinners in here, guys. So, and we got my protein shakes. Total came to $119.89, guys. Money does not go very far these days, that's for sure. But doing the best we can, and I'm sure you guys are too. It's like you just kind of have to... It's not realistic for me to say I'm going to go grocery shopping and only stick to, you know, dinners or, you know, like the 3 meals a day, because, you know, I have 2 people in the house that don't diet like I do. So they want their sweets, they want their, you know, their beverages and stuff like that. So $119 is not that bad. I think they figured out the, what is it? The average for a family of 3 adults is like between 200, I think it was like $70 a day, $70 a week per adult. So, I mean, for the week. And that's the low end of the scale when you look at the graph for the Department of whatever that does the food pricing or whatever, what the average family spends for groceries. If you look at the very, very low end of it, we are like way lower than that. So I guess that in that sense, we're doing good that we're able to still eat, you know, pretty good food considering. And yeah, this is for 3 adults, and my dogs get some cucumbers and carrots out of that. And, you know, I got some of my weight loss stuff in here. So I don't think we did that bad, guys. So 5 nights dinners, some whole bunch of vegetables, because I told you we were completely out of vegetables, and junk food. Yeah, so all right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified the next time we put up a video. I will be putting up another video giving you guys like a little update of what's been going on very soon. So please stay tuned for that, and leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you guys. All right, friends. Thanks for watching, and stay blessed.